How to share a list on Twitter to Facebook directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share a list on Twitter to Facebook directly. So all what you have to do guys is go to Twitter. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings and privacy. Right here you will find many options and you search for lists. If you didn't find them, go again and click on lists. Now go down and choose your list here and go to the top corner, click on this share little option and click share here and choose Facebook here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.